Hey, it's Adaz, and I want to wish you a very happy holiday. I'm really excited about this issue because uh, I put my podcast in, just uploaded on the backstory of 1968 and how on December 24th, 1968, instantaneously, the entire world that was on fire with protest and civil upheaval all over the world, including the United States, came to an immediate stop. So check out below. I wrote the part of it that brought the event, and then also in my podcast, I share the backstory on that. And then also you will receive, we have several free download guides and trainings in overcoming self-sabotage and overcoming procrastination. Plus, I have uploaded a copy of my new ebook. It will also be available in print soon, called Apple Inc., The Halo Effect. And it shows you how Apple became the #1 company in the world. And it's a fascinating read. So I hope you enjoy that. You can download that. It's available in this week's It's a Wrap. It's a holiday wrap. So again, have a wonderful holiday, and I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.